Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an account on Viagogo. To create an account on Viagogo web app, these are steps that you need to take. First, open your web browser and go to viagogo.com. That's going to walk you into the official homepage for Viagogo. On the official homepage, go ahead and look for the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Right there, you're going to find an option for signing up, signing in, or creating an account. Go ahead and click on the create an account option, and that's going to take you into the registration page. Once you head over to the registration page, you're going to have to fill in your account details. Enter your email address in the provided field that you want to use for your Viagogo account. Then create a password that meets Viagogo security requirements. Once you're done, enter any other required information such as your full name or your phone number. Ensure that everything is accurate and A-OK. Once you're done, review Viagogo's terms of service and privacy policy. You may need to check a box to confirm. Check any other necessary boxes such as opting in for notifications or agreeing to the site's terms. Once you're done filling out all of those details, click Create Account or the Sign Up button to finish the registration process. The next step is to verify your account if required. Sometimes Viagogo does not allow you to verify your account, but in case it pops, you may receive a verification email from Viagogo. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to Viagogo website and log in using your new credentials. In case where you're not asked to verify your account, it's just going to log you into your Viagogo's website or your Viagogo's account, where you can now explore all the options to have an amazing time on Viagogo. Once your Viagogo is ready, you can access options like Explore, Sell, Favorites, My Tickets, and Profile from the homepage. Now you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.